am. I got no rules, I count 'em.
Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my June Boxycharm unboxing. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box where you pay $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 high-end full-size products shipped to you every single month, and it is a super awesome subscription service. I love it. I look forward to getting my box every single month. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see what I got in my box this month, just keep watching. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be showing you my June Boxycharm unboxing. I'm actually really excited for this box. So you open it up and you get this card. This month's theme is Caribbean Queen, and it has a list of all the products and their pricing. So the first thing I'm going to start with, which I've heard such amazing things about, this is the ALAMAR eyeshadow palette. Look how pretty that is. Oh, it looks so pretty. So you have 4 shimmer shades and 4 matte shades, and this retails for $28. So that's going to be the first thing I'm going to use. So I'm just going to prime my eyes with my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. Set that with some powder. So first I'm going to grab this Wet n Wild blending brush. It's from their holiday collection. And I'm going to start with Cocoa Taxi. There's not a ton of kickback in the palette, so that's nice. Color laid down really nicely. It blended out really easily. Next I'm going to take Tropico on that same brush. Again, just a little bit of fallout, not a ton. I'm going to put that in the crease. These blend so easily. I don't know how to say this one, but I'm going to take this deep brick shade on a Curie Cosmetics blending brush. I'm going to pack that on the outer corner. These are all blending together really nicely. The colors are so pretty and they go on really nicely and blend out really nicely. I'm like highly impressed right now by this palette. Taking that first brush and just blending. So then for the lid, I think I'm going to take La Costa. I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics number 5 brush. That's how it's applying dry with a brush. So then I'm going to see what it looks like when I spray it with a setting spray. Oh yeah, way better. That color is really pretty. Taking that second brush again and just picking up that brick shade, just gonna blend those edges. Okay, so I will do my lower lash line when the rest of my makeup is on. So let's grab the next thing. Okay, so the next thing I see right here are these lashes, which actually look so pretty. These are Battington Monroe Silk Lashes. And these retail for $28, which is expensive for one pair of lashes. The little case that this comes in is so cute. Okay, so I'm just going to pop on some mascara. This is the Jordana Best Lash Extreme. Those lashes were so hard to get out of the packaging. That was literally so annoying. Okay, that probably took me the longest it has ever taken me to put lashes on. Except for when I first started putting them on. I don't know why that was so difficult. The lashes are fine, they look very natural. I just really don't like how hard it was to put them on. Like, that was so hard. But this is what the lashes look like. They are natural, but they're very pretty. I don't think I would ever spend that much on lashes. $28 for a pair of lashes is pretty steep. I don't know, they were so hard to take out of the packaging too that they lost their shape, and so that was kind of hard too, but Okay, let's move on to the next thing. So I see these Luxie brushes. This is a Luxie 3-piece Flawless Complexion brush set. This retails for $42. I love when we get brushes, especially awesome brushes in our boxes, so I'm excited. This says it has the Precision Foundation brush, tapered highlighting face brush, and a duo fiber powder brush. So this one right here, it says it is a foundation brush, which I don't really know. I'll try it though. I'm just gonna put on some Wet n Wild Cover All primer. My face has been so dry the last couple of days. I feel like this primer is a little more hydrating. And then I'm gonna go in with the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. So I'm gonna use the Luxie 660 Precision Foundation brush. Applied it really nicely. I was kind of nervous because for a second there it was looking really streaky. It also feels like I'm using a paintbrush on my face right now, which is kind of weird. Blended it out really nicely. It's kind of weird because if you can see, it's a pretty flimsy brush. Right when I put the foundation on and started blending it out, it looked streaky, but then it wasn't streaky. Like, it looks pretty good. Other two brushes, this one is a highlighting brush and this one is a powder brush. They're all wonky. The shapes are all weird from being in that package. So I am going to go ahead and conceal the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. I have the shade Fair Neutral and Light Neutral. I think I'm going to use that same brush to blend that out. Blended the concealer out nicely too. Taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder, I'm going to pick up the Duo Fiber powder brush. I feel about that brush. I don't know if it's because it's misshaped from the packaging and so it's kind of weird, but I wouldn't use this to powder my whole face. For me personally, I like using a big fluffy brush. That one would be good to maybe dust away bake or something like that. This is the Morphe E41. It's my favorite powder brush. Okay, so I'm going to jump back to eyes really quick. So taking this Curie Cosmetics Flat Definer brush, I'm going to pick up Tropico. I'm going to push that right up next to the waterline. Taking this Wet n Wild eye crease brush, I'm going to pick up Cocoa Taxi and smoke that out. For the inner corner, I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics 11 brush and I'm going to pick up Celia. I'm going to spray that. I just popped on bronzer and blush. I'm actually going to take a little bit of this top shade right here and blend that in with the green on the inner corner. So I popped on bronzer, blush, and some mascara. So I used the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and the Physicians Formula Butter Blush. So the next thing in this box is this Jontebly waterproof eyeliner pencil. This retails for $5 and I believe this is brown. It's brown. So I'm just gonna put that on the waterline. On my waterline very well. Sometimes when pencils are hard like that, I'll like to warm them up on the back of my hand and then apply them, and sometimes that helps them go on a little more smooth. Okay, so now I'm going to use that Luxie tapered highlight brush and pick up this Milani Stellar Lights palette. Yeah, all these brushes are misshapen, so it's kind of hard to tell if I'll actually like them because they were squished in that box. That seems like a really big tapered highlighting brush. I would prefer that brush to maybe set the under eyes. I feel like that might work a little bit better than highlight. And then I got this Ofra long lasting liquid lipstick. We have gotten an Ofra lipstick before. This is in the shade Verona, and I do like this formula. Grab that highlighter and pick up this rose gold right on the center. And I'm going to spray my face with my Milani Make It Last. The last thing in the box is this Brazilian Bum Bum cream. This retails for $10. It smells so good. So I've never tried this. It smells really good. I really like the smell of that. So this box is valued at $134, which is crazy. You pay $21 and you get all these products shipped to you every single month, and the box was valued at $134, which is insane to me. So the palette I think is beautiful. I think it looks so good on the eyes. I think the shades are gorgeous and they blend out so nicely. I think I'm really gonna like this palette this summer, and I'm actually really excited because I feel like most of the eyeshadow palettes that we have gotten in previous boxes have just been blah. Like, I don't think that they worked that good. I end up usually giving them away, so I'm actually really excited that this worked so good, and the shadows are beautiful. They blend out really easily. Yeah, I'm excited for this. So the brush set I'm actually really excited about. This is the highlighter brush, but I would probably use this to set under my eyes. That's probably what I would use it for. It's just a little bigger than I would like for a highlighting brush. The Duo Fiber powder brush I like, not to set the entire face, but I feel like if I was baking, this would work really nicely to dust away that. And then the foundation brush, I'm actually surprised it didn't put my foundation on streaky at all. I don't really know if I'll use this because it is smaller, but I do like those brushes, and most of the time I use brushes for other reasons other than what they're supposed to be used for. So these eyelashes, they're pretty. I would never pay $28 for these, ever, never. I would never do that. They were so hard to get out of the packaging, and then they lost their shape from trying to take them out of the packaging, and then they were really hard to put on my eyes, so that was kind of frustrating. But they're pretty. They're really natural looking. I like, you know, longer lashes, but they're pretty. I'll continue to test them out and see if I like them a little bit better as I continue using them, but I would never buy them again. But I do like that we got more eyelashes in the box. I like when we get lashes. Eyeliner, I'm not that excited about. It wasn't amazing, but it did say that it was waterproof. It was really hard to get onto my waterline. I did warm it up, like I'll just run it against my hand and kind of warm it up, and it went on, but we'll see. It says it's waterproof, so I will see how it wears on my waterline throughout the day, see if it starts to smudge out or anything like that. The Ofra lipstick I'm super excited about. I really like the shade that I got. This is one that I will probably pick a lot to wear. I really like the shade, and I know that I like this formula. It is very lightweight, it goes on super easy, and it smells like vanilla. And then the last thing in the box was this Brazilian Bum Bum cream. I just put it on my hands, but it smells super good, and it doesn't leave like a slick kind of greasy feeling. Like, my hands feel totally fine, they just feel moisturized now, so that's cool. I'm excited to test this out. I like getting random stuff like this, like hair care, skin care. I like getting that kind of stuff in the box as well as all the makeup that we get. I wish they would add more stuff like this in the boxes more often, but oh, that smells so good. But yeah, so this is the look that I created with all the products that I got in my box today. Let me know if you liked this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I post 3 videos every week. Let me know in a comment down below what you got in your box and what you're super excited for, and what you thought about this palette, because I'm excited about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.
Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.